Polyhedra network just raised $25 million in investment. But guys, this is still under the radar. Almost no one knows about it. And the beautiful thing is they recently launched the Zkbridge Alpha mainnet just days ago. And I mean, this just very few people know how to make use of this. So I'm going to make a video to show you how to use this first trustless, efficient, secure, and universal cross-chain bridge with ZK snacks. Okay, so here, all you have to do is visit the website here, zkbridge.com. I'm going to leave a link to the website in the description as I always do in all the videos. You connect your network and sign the transaction. Signing the first transaction will not cost you any gas at all. So once you connect your transaction, you can see that I am on BNB chain here. So you could either be on BNB chain or Ethereum for a start. So what you have to do, you can actually you can transfer your NFTs to other chains. You can import your own NFT from one chain to another, and also send yourself messages in the ZK Bridge Messenger here. So we're going to quickly try the ZK Bridge NFT right here. So I'm just going to click on that, and here it takes me to this page. You can actually do this also here from just by clicking the NFT faucet right here. um, it's going to land you on this page as well. So once you come to this page, you're going to select network. You have the option to choose either BNB chain or Ethereum. Of course, BNB chain has lower gas, so you want to choose it for a start, and click on the ZK Bridge NFT. So select a blockchain. You go with BNB chain. What we're doing right here is to mint a ZK Bridge NFT faucet. So what I'm going to do is to hit this request button, and this request is going to send me to my MetaMask to confirm the transaction. Just going to cost some cents in gas fees in BNB. Yeah. So once we are done with that, we're just going to wait for the transaction to confirm right here. See how long this gonna. Okay, so yeah, congratulations, you received NFT on BNB chain. So once you do this, now you can actually create your own NFT. You can see there's a create NFT button right here that I didn't really show you, but you could either mint the NFT first or create an NFT, or even your own NFTs. You can mint them on other chain. So I'm just showing you a basic way to start with this. So once you do this, you can hit the ZK Bridge NFT. So you're ZK bridging your NFT from one chain to another. And here it says important NFT on the sender blockchain. Your sender blockchain is BNB chain because this is the chain that you minted your NFT faucet on. So you just have to scroll down here and click on confirm import. You can see there are four steps here: select receiver blockchain, transfer, and claim. So all you have to do is to click on this next right here, select a network. You're going to select the network you want to receive the NFT on. It could be Ethereum, it could be Arbitrum. You could choose something with lower gas fees like Polygon, for example. And once you do that, it's gonna fill in your address right here. So you select the receiver blockchain and do the step 1 and 2, which is to approve and then transfer. Right. So it's gonna lead you back to your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, cost you gas fees and cents. Once you approve the transaction, you're gonna move over to step 2, which is to transfer the NFT to the receiving network. We're going to see how that works as well. So I'm just going to click on transfer here and hit confirm as well. Waiting for BNB chain to execute your transaction, generating zero knowledge proof, waiting for block confirmation on BNB chain. Guys, this is totally new, and they've also mentioned that they're taking into cognizance the early wallet participants actually. So, but there's no guarantee of any airdrop. But of course, you have to utilize some of these exciting things right here. Just to let you guys know that Binance Labs assisted Polyhedra ZK in raising the $25 million. So, I mean, it's probably something that's gonna be just in case they eventually have a token. I mean, you want to actually try to use the ZK bridge right here. Waiting for block confirmations on BNB chain, 12 out of 15 completed. So let's see what happens after this transaction is completed. Yeah. So the fourth step here, you can see all the steps: import an NFT, select receiver blockchain, transfer, and claim. So what's left for me right here is to claim my NFT. So it's going to ask me to switch network to Polygon because it is on Polygon that I am receiving. It's going to ask me to switch to Polygon, which I've done right now, and it's claiming my transaction in my wallet. So just a quick one here to confirm the transaction in my wallet. And here we go. Just taking a few more seconds. Voila, here we go. Completed. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your NFT through Zkbridge. So, guys, this is a simple thing that I would like you all to, participating. I mean, just in case they eventually launch a token and from a DAO. So, guys, if you got anything from this video, hit like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, guys, for whenever we post any relevant content like this. Cheers and see you in the next update. Bye.